Hey, what's up guys? Alright, long time no see you guys. As you guys know, the hoverboard is the hot product since from 2015, 2016, 2017, and now it's October 2018. You guys may be looking for the best Christmas gift. I'm sure the hoverboard still gonna be the best Christmas gift in 2018 this year. But the question is, which hoverboard should you buy and which hoverboard is the best choice for the Christmas gift? Today, I'm gonna introducing a new hoverboard with a new design and new features. Okay, take a look here. Here is the box. You can see spider black and the spider right. You guys can guess what's inside the box. Maybe you guys gonna say it's a spider design hoverboard. Okay, maybe you guys gonna ride or maybe you guys gonna run. Okay, in next few minutes, we're gonna show you guys what's inside the box, what's the design of the hoverboard, and what's the features of the hoverboard. Now, let's take a quick view for this spider hoverboard. This is the foot pedal with a spider design. This is the rubber protector for the charging port and the switch off button. Let's take a look. Charging port, switch off button. You can directly switch on with the protect button. Switch on. It builds high quality Bluetooth speaker, so when you ride a hoverboard, so you can have more fun and enjoy the music. Let go! Now let's switch on the power to see more nights with this hoverboard. Switch on the power, and this is the indicator lights. These are spider lights on the wheels. It looks fantastic when you're riding on the light time. Here's the 6 spiders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 spiders. It looks really fantastic and looks really cool. Nobody has. Very unique. And this is the color changing lights on the front side. I think this spider hoverboard will be a very good choice for the Christmas gift. The kids, they're gonna love it. It is safe balance, easy riding and easy noise. Flashing wheels, color changing LED lights. Those features, all kids, they love it. Most important thing is the safety. This spider hoverboard passed the UL 2272 certification. It's safety, so it's a safe riding and it's a safe charging. Okay, so let me show you guys how it works.
生活像拍了一出戏，有潮的导演跟编剧，只说了台词一句，他妈配了800个语气，操控着我的情绪。